Welcome back, villagers, to another episode of Hugh Tran, the Insurance Man. If you are driving a vehicle and you have to pay for your insurance premium, this video is for you. Like always, if you like this kind of content, please comment, share with your family, with anybody that you feel this is worth it. So, California, if you live in California, you are going to see a premium hikes in your insurance. 30 to 50% while you have a superior rating. Why? Why is your rate going up? Well, since 1967, California changed its bare minimum. What is a California current bare minimum? 15,000, 30,000, and 5,000 for property damage. That doubles. Now it is 30,000, 60,000, and 15,000 for property damage. So the 30,000 is bodily injury per person, 60,000 is bodily injury per accident, and the 15,000 is property damage. So this just means that you're going to see a premium hike, 30 to 50% potentially. But if you're not happy with your rate, contact your insurance agent and ask for a IFR, insurance financial review, and there's a very high chance there are ways for you to save. If your insurance agent say no, there's no chance for you to save, that person is bullshitting. So go ahead and seek help. At the end of this video, I'll show you why you need to pay attention to these laws and what can you do to save a couple bucks? Because in our village, a couple dollars saved is a couple dollar earned. So California, that's for you. Let me jump to the next one. You live in North Carolinas. Effective July 1st of this year, 2025, which is about 6 days ago. The minimum liability raised from 30,000, 60,000, and 25,000 to 50,000, 100,000, and 50,000. And this is what you need to really focus on because inexperienced driver surcharge. What does that mean? It just means that based on your driving experience, it now extend. So insurance company is able to charge you for X number of years longer than previous surcharge. It extends from 3 years to 8 years. So that means drive better. And if you know stupid drivers on the road, educate those stupid drivers because they are causing your rate to go up. It's time we unite and start properly educating people. Because if we don't, it's going to affect our pockets. Uninsured motorists, UIM coverage must match bodily injury limits, allowing stacking for greater protection. So this could increase premium by about 5% with new drivers seeing even larger jumps. So if you are an experienced driver, this won't change as much. But if you are a new driver, prepare yourself. But most importantly, understand that surcharge because it went from 3 years to 8 years. That means insurance company have that extra 5 years to charge you for a higher premium if you have a bad driving record, DUI, reckless driving, or whatever points you may accumulate over time. There are laws that are changing that are going to hurt your pockets because now we have so many people in our country, legal, not legal, whatever case may be. Not everybody are law-abiding citizens. We have to wake up because if we don't, your pockets is getting hurt. Same thing as mine. Let me continue. So we talk about California, North Carolina. Now we jump to Massachusetts. They also raised liability minimums effective 6 days ago. So it went from 20,000, 40,000, and 5,000 property damage to 25,000, 50,000, and 30,000 property damage. This is actually good. If you get into an accident, let's say a bad person don't have insurance and that bad person hit you, legal, not legal, criminals, whatever case may be, and if that person don't have insurance, then your uninsured motorist will kick in to help pay for your car damage, your bodily injury, whatever case may be. I'm not hating on certain groups. I'm just saying these are facts. If you are living in sanctuary cities, sanctuary states, prepare yourself because things are going to hit you and it's going to hit you very hard. Trust me, I live in California. I am having major migraine because Gavin Newsom is a boo boo. Let me continue. So, policies renewing after that date automatically include higher limits, potentially leading to noticeable premium increases for minimum coverage drivers. So, Massachusetts, last week, this already take effect. Like my previous mention for North Carolina, if you're not happy with your rate, go ahead and seek help. Ask for an IFR, Insurance Financial Review. It is very beneficial for you. Get help right away. And now we go to Utah, Virginia, and Maryland. They also raised their minimums in 2025. So Utah went from 25,000, 65,000, 15,000 to 30,000, 65,000, and 25,000. Virginia moved from 30,000, 60,000, 20,000 property damage to 50, 125, which is good, but there's going to be a price to pay, and that is higher premium for you and I. Also in Virginia, it ended the $500 uninsured driver fees as of July 2024. So there are changes in Virginia, but if you haven't had any accidents or you haven't reviewed your policies, look it up. It's better to know before something happened versus wait for it to happen and then you're going to panic because you get into an accident. The other person don't have insurance. Now you are all over the place. Preparation is key. Maryland, increased reporting standards and expected upcoming increase to minimum. So these states either already changed last week or they're going to. I'm only mentioning a couple of these because these are the ones that uh, already happened. So Maryland should be increasing very soon. If you live in Maryland, Virginia, Utah, North Carolina, Massachusetts, or California, share this video. And if you like it, comment, and I appreciate you. Oh, also make sure you subscribe. I'm very close to 1,000 villagers. The more we grow, the better content I'm able to potentially create for you. So you ask yourself, what is this new laws that I heard on social media? The widespread of hands-free, or there's another term, it's called distracted driving laws. Hand-free and distracted driving laws. What are these? It's going to affect me. In recent years, over 30 states have passed laws banning handheld phones used while driving. For example, Louisiana will fully enforce a hand-free ban in August 2025 with escalating fine from $50 to $250. That just means more money's out of your pocket and my pocket if we live in Louisiana or commit a violation in Louisiana. So to my people, villagers living in Louisiana, protect yourself, be smarter. And they're adding, and even prison time if fatal distraction crashes. That just means if you're on your phone, looking at your phone, and you crash and hit somebody and unalive them, you're going to jail. So don't do that. So Iowa prohibits. I think Iowa. Yeah. So Iowa prohibits handheld use even at red lights. More restriction. Virginia banned phone use in any seating position. That's why I mentioned Virginia earlier. You guys have to look up these laws because it's already happening in 30 states. All you have to do, if you have Google, look it up and it will tell you. So these laws often add points to your driving record or fines or maybe both. So you're telling me why are they doing this to you and I? Well, simply because there are a lot of people in America now and we are going to need more money. When I say we, I mean the government. They're going to need more money. So they're going to make money off you and me. And they're going to penalize us, tax us to death. And in the end, they're going to go ahead and become millionaires while you and I work just to get some coffee. I'm sorry. This channel is not about sugarcoating stuff. I'm telling you how it is and up to you to believe me or not. But everything I present to you, my villagers, are facts on top of facts. Now you're going to ask me why these matters for my wallet. Law type. Higher liability minimums. Insurers automatically raise rates to cover the bigger policy limits. More money out of your pocket and my pocket overnight. You wake up one day, you're like, why is my insurance increased 30 to 50%? I already explained in this video. Extended surcharge periods. This is something that you need to be very, very worried. It's troublesome because violations like speeding, at for accident, etc., can now impact your rate for longer, up to 5 or even 8 years. That's crazy. And I'm mad. But we have so many people here that are legal, illegal. They don't give a shit, zero accountability. So insurance companies, they need to find a way to make money off of you. I'm here to educate you and do what you want to do. Distracted driving enforcement, more tickets for phone use, add points, and raise premium. So, in other words, just don't use your phone while you're in the car unless you're using a GPS. Make sure you get those mount your phone on there and just leave it. Don't text, don't use your phone, so that way they cannot make money off of you. Insurance man, you're talking too much. Give me the solution. I got a solution for you. What you should do. Check your policy. An IFR, insurance financial review, is very beneficial for you because it helps you bring the rate down, and sometimes an honest insurance agent will go above and beyond to help you save 50 to 100 bucks, because 50 to $100 saved on insurance, you can buy more food for your family or buy yourself a life insurance policy if you have kids. Do whatever the heck you want with your saving. I'm not here to tell you what to do, villagers. You're a grown ass person, but make sure you check your policy to ensure you meet new minimum requirements, especially if you live in California, North Carolina, Massachusetts, Utah, or Virginia. Virginia got some crazy laws. Make sure you look it up. Also, review your driving record. Understand how long violation will affect your premiums. It went from 3 years to 5 years, now to 8 years surcharge. That's insane. And also make sure you shop around, because if you stay with the insurance company for so long, you may max out your discount already. And when you get into an accident, it's going to surcharge you off the ass, and you are going to have to pay an arm and a leg for your premium. Shop around. You have the right to, because there are a lot of changes in the insurance industry, and it's best that you shop around because a dollar saved is a dollar earned. But lastly, you can avoid all of these nonsense if you avoid distractions. Yeah, just do me a favor, my villagers. Avoid distractions. When you're driving, focus on driving. Leave your phone in your pockets. Leave your phone in the trunk. And when you get to your destination, then you can use it. But if you use it, are you willing to pay the ultimate price? Premium increase, potential accident, crashes here, and you may unlife somebody, and that's jail time. So with that, my villagers, I appreciate you. If you like this kind of a content, comment, make sure you subscribe. Help me get to 1,000 villagers. I can't wait. But before I let you go, remember, take care of your family, and most importantly, take care of your health. Until next time.